I'm gonna try and buy a couple more, then I'm gonna start it. Ooh, got a frog, sweet.
Yes, I do.
Old boots, got the old boot. Hold on. Okay, I already have the frog. Oh, my game ID. Check it out. Come start.
Yeah, that's a real thing.
I have no idea how this game works, just telling you. Yeah, it's fine.
Oh my gosh!
Hooks, hooking material. I caught a boot. Caught a jellyfish. What are these fish? They're frogs. Oh, I got the frog distraction. Clownfish. What? How much is that weigh? What does a frenzy mean? Whoa, that was a huge fish. It's like, what is happening? It's so fast. Come on. Come on. What is this?
Don't remind me of those days. It sucks having a little eye.
Make 5 seconds. 5 seconds. What do I get? Oh, look at that timing. It's perfect. Oh, whoa! 6th place. What is this? Class pass.
Let's go.
Dang.
Only one by like